Okay, now we're gonna start with number 6. So number 6 says Tom spends 30% of his monthly budget on rent. His total monthly budget is $3,000. How much does Tom spend on rent? Well, 30% is important. $3,000 is important. So if we know that 30% is as a decimal 0.3, and I multiply that by 3,000, when you type that in your calculator, you're gonna get $900. Another way you can think about this problem is if you know that 10% of 3,000, I get that by moving my decimal point one place to the left, is 300, and 30% is 3 times that. I could take 300 times 3, and I will get 900 that way. You can also use part over whole equals percent over 100. Then we would cross multiply. And then divide by 100 to isolate our variable. We're going to get P equals 900. So there's a few ways that you can solve number 6. Number 7, I'm not going to go over that. You should know what a reciprocal is by now. If not, perhaps you should check your notebook. Number 8. Of the flowers in Bella's garden, 1/5 are tulips. What percent of flowers in the garden are tulips? Well, if you can remember how to change a fraction into a decimal using your calculator, you can easily turn this into a percent. So in my calculator, I have 1/5. I would take 1, divide it by 5. You're going to get 0.2. Then if you take 2/10, multiply it by 100. And when we do that, all we do is move our decimal point 2 places to the right. You will get 20%. Finally, number 9, when you look, it wants to know what percent of the square below is shaded. Well, I'm gonna look at my whole square here has 3 parts. Of my 3 parts, 1 is shaded. That's 1/3. If I take 1 and divide it by 3 with a calculator, I'm gonna get 33.333 forever percent, which is 33 1/3%. You should be able to look at the other 2 answer choices and know that 50% cannot be correct because it is not halfway. And you can see that more is unshaded than shaded, so 66.23% cannot be right either. So you can answer that based on process of elimination also. Okay, thanks.